Just a couple of weeks after the launch of Realme X, the company is now gearing up to unveil its next smartphone in the country. Already being teased several times, Realme is now finally bringing the first 64-megapixel smartphone to the country. It's also the first quad camera smartphone from Realme. Realme has captured a major part of the market of budget and mid-range smartphones, also biting into Xiaomi's user base. It has been moving vigorously to grab a big chunk of the affordable premium segment with smartphones like Realme X, which was launched with a pop-up selfie camera, triple rear camera with a 48-megapixel primary sensor and AMOLED display. Now Realme has teased its next smartphone, which will feature quad rear cameras with a 64-megapixel primary sensor and arrives later this year. The Realme 64-megapixel camera phone will launch in India first and then in other global markets. Already the camera samples are out and it's a 4-camera setup at the back. The company will hold a special camera innovation event on 8th August at Capital City to unveil the upcoming quad camera technology. The teased Realme smartphone will be equipped with a Samsung ISOCELL Bright GW1 sensor. This is a 1x1.72-inch sensor with a pixel size of 0.4 micron. With Samsung's tetracell technology, which implies 4-in-1 pixel binning, the sensor captures output at 16 megapixel with a size of 1.6 micron. Compared to Samsung's GM1 or Sony's IMX586 sensor, both of which are half-inch 48 megapixel sensor, the 64 megapixel sensor is larger and should therefore capture more light. On top of that, pixel binning should increase the amount of exposure further. Realme is also boasting about its AI for scene recognition and clicking lifelike images. Meanwhile, the configuration of other sensors in this setup have not been revealed yet. While Samsung and Xiaomi are all repeatedly working on Samsung's equipped with 64-megapixel GW1 sensor, we have witnessed the first camera sample of the sensor courtesy of Madhav Seth. Coming to the name, we don't know what's going to be the Realme 64-megapixel smartphone called. Some of the leaks suggested Realme 5 Pro, but it seems unlikely. There is no information available as of now. The company did not share anything about what the 64-megapixel quad camera phone is going to be called. Recently, some reports also hinted at Realme X Pro. The company has confirmed a flagship previously, and the same device could be Realme X Pro with Snapdragon 855 and rear quad camera system. Currently, the Realme X comes with a 48-megapixel dual camera system with Sony IMX586 sensor. Realme does not have a triple camera system till now and will directly be jumping into a quad camera system with its upcoming 64-megapixel camera device. The other specifications are not yet confirmed, but it's either could be Snapdragon 730 or a Snapdragon 855 chipset. If it's actually Realme X Pro, the company will be directly challenging the newly launched Redmi K20 Pro at around 25,000 Indian rupees. If the device comes with Snapdragon 730, then it will take on regular Redmi K20 in the sub 20,000 space. So guys, are you excited for this new 64-megapixel quad camera setup device from Realme? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.